Let's focus on wooden window frames now. Proper cleaning can really enhance their beauty and help them last longer. Begin by dusting off the frame with a soft brush or microfiber cloth to remove surface dust. Fill a bowl with warm water. It's effective yet gentle for cleaning wood. Squirt a bit of mild soap in the water. This mixture is ideal for wood surfaces. Carefully wipe the frame with your sponge or cloth soaked in the soap solution. Gentle strokes here to avoid damaging the wood. Use a slightly damp cloth to go over the frame. This step is to ensure no soap residue is left behind. Immediately dry the frame with a dry cloth. This prevents moisture damage to the wood. Your wooden frame should now look refreshed and vibrant, enhancing the overall look of your window. There you have it. Simple steps for maintaining and protecting your wooden window frames. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time!